Okay, sweetheart. Pajamas on? Teeth brushed?
Yes, Dad. Now tell me one of your Thailand stories again.
All right. Tonight I'll tell you just one of my stories from Thailand.
Even the scary parts?
We'll see about that.
Deal! Start from the very beginning.
All right, from the very beginning. Now close your eyes and imagine. It all started many years ago, when I was packing my suitcase for my big adventure. Passport? Check. Clothes? Check. I zipped up my suitcase, then headed out the door. The taxi was outside waiting for me. I was very excited on my way to the airport. After we got to the airport, I said goodbye to the driver and went inside. I could feel the rush. The airport was very busy. Next, I went straight to the check-in counter. This is where you get your plane ticket.
Good morning, sir. How can I help you?
I have a flight to check in for.
May I have your passport, please? Thank you. Are you checking any luggage today?
Just this one. She put a tag on my bag, and it rolled away on the conveyor belt.
Here's your boarding pass, sir. Gate 12, boarding at 10:30. Have a nice flight.
Next stop, security. They check your bags to keep everyone safe. You put your things in a tray, then walk through a special machine. I always feel nervous for no reason. I got my things and was ready to go. The boring part was finally over. So I did a little shopping. Then I found gate 12 and waited. It was almost time. The adventure had begun. I showed my boarding pass, then boarded the plane.
Welcome aboard. Your seat is just this way.
I walked through the aisle until I found my seat. My spot was next to the window. I fastened my seatbelt. We were ready to go. Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready for takeoff. The plane sped down the runway, and soon we were in the air. The view out the window was beautiful. But I wasn't going to Thailand for just a vacation. I was on a mission. A small village school needed my help. After a very long flight, I finally landed in Bangkok, Thailand. I got off the plane. Then I picked up my suitcase, and I was finally outside. The air was so hot and humid. Then I got on the bus. I was on it for 4 hours. I saw beautiful rice fields, many small villages, and animals in the jungle. I couldn't wait to meet the children. Then I got off the bus and got on a boat. The trip on the boat was fun. I saw a wild leopard and even some exotic birds. Hello. Then I met my guide. We walked through the jungle. I may have complained, just a little bit. Teachers are human too.
How much farther?
Only 2 more hours, my friend.
2 more hours?
I'm just kidding. We're nearly there.
Everything was going well. The jungle was beautiful. The guide was kind. And then I met the villain of my story. Not a monster, not a snake, something worse.
A very naughty monkey.
Be careful. This monkey is very naughty. He steals things from visitors.
A monkey? I'm sure it's friendly.
But then, the monkey jumped, grabbed my phone,
And ran away. Hey, no, come back!
I started chasing after the monkey.
Hey, get back here! Give me that phone!
He climbed high into a tree. Then he started playing with my phone. For a moment, I wanted to panic.
That is so rude!
But then the guide came to help.
Don't worry. I have an idea. We can make a trade.
A trade with a monkey?
The guide offered the monkey a banana and a mango. The monkey looked at my phone, then at the fruit. We came closer to the tree. Then he threw my phone! My phone fell to the ground. The deal was complete.
It worked!
Told you. A good trade.
We walked to the village. It wasn't very far. Finally, we made it. It was time to get to work. The children greeted us.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too!
We practiced English phrases together. And some writing too. I met with the teachers and told the kids about the monkey. We took silly pictures. But soon it was time to go.
Thank you, everyone. These are beautiful. I'll miss you all very much.
Saying goodbye was hard, but it was time to go. My mission was complete. It was time for an adventure. There was so much to see. Tropical beaches, ancient temples, night markets. Let's just say Thailand had a lot more surprises waiting for me. And that's all for today.
Wait! What happened next?
That's a story for another night, sweetheart.
No! You can't stop there!
The best stories always have, what do we call it?
A cliffhanger.
Exactly. And if you're good, tomorrow night I will tell you about the floating markets, the temples.
And the elephants?
You'll have to wait and see.
You've got a deal.
Now go get some sleep, sweetheart.
Good night, Dad. See you tomorrow.
Good night, sweetie. See you tomorrow. And that's where the first part of my Thailand adventure ended. But trust me, the best was yet to come. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Your support means the world to me. Until next time.